y'all, so I've got 2 pounds of ground beef and I'm adding just a couple of big spoonfuls of garlic to this. Love a garlicky burger. To that, this is half of a medium onion, just chopped up. Just put some on either side. 1 can of black beans that I've drained after rinsing. It's gonna be such a great dish, guys. Everybody loves this dish every time I make it. And also some sweet corn. It's also been drained. We're adding a can of rotel to this, these tomatoes with the mild chilies. And to that, we're gonna add 1 can of cream of chicken soup, condensed. I love these one-pot dishes. They're so easy to make. You can spend all your extra time doing other things. Okay, once we have that, adding some taco seasoning to this. I'm using the Spanglish Asadero brand. So good. You see like all these like big spice pieces. So yummy. Gonna add a little bit of paprika. Just like so. A little salt. And some cracked black pepper. To all of that, we're going to be adding 1 whole cup of half and half. Just pour that all the way around. And then this goes into a 350-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Oh, wow. Take a look at how it's gotten so bubbly. Take a couple of forks and start mushing up all that ground beef now that that's cooked through, and make sure that it's all combined with all of the other flavors. It smells so good in here, guys, with all the taco flavors going on. Once you've broken down all that ground beef, see how it's all cooked through? So good. Such a smart way of making cooked up hamburger meat. I've got about 2 cups of white steamed rice. Just gonna add that whole thing and mix that together. Good idea to use a deep dish, casserole dish for this so that you can make sure that you have enough space to mix everything together. Look at that, starting to come together, amazing. We're gonna add 2 cups of shredded Colby Jack cheese. That right on top. Mix that all in. So then every bite has a little bit of melty cheese. So good. This is such a great recipe if you wanna feed a crowd. Got all those Taco Tuesday flavors in there and so filling. I love seeing all those little cheese strings going through. That means it's gonna be super cheesy when you eat this. Let's go ahead and flatten this out into 1 layer, 1 even layer. I'm gonna top everything with this triple cheddar cheese. Just another 2 cups of that. Just kind of spread this all over the top. And then this goes right back into that 350-degree oven for about another 10-15 minutes. Wow, doesn't that look amazing, guys? I'm gonna top everything with a little chopped cilantro. Just right on top like that. You can always use parsley if cilantro isn't your thing. Do you think that cilantro tastes like soap? It doesn't to me, but I know a lot of people are not fans of cilantro. I'm gonna go ahead and dig on in. Ooh, that looks so good. Get a scoop out. Wow, that looks amazing. Put that in my bowl, just like that. Add a little bit of sour cream, just on the side. Let's do a taste test. It's like taco rice, super cheesy, so easy to make. You should totally make this. It's delicious.